Sarah, what did you do today?
I went shopping.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a few things.
What did you buy?
I bought this coat. Do you like it?
Yes, I like it a lot. It's very pretty. Where did you buy it?
At the mall on Fifth Street.
Was it expensive?
No, it wasn't expensive. It was on sale for $20.
That's cheap.
I know. It was a really good deal.
I don't think you'll need to wear it for a while. It's been really hot lately. I can't find my glasses, and I can't see anything. Can you help me find a few things?
No problem. What are you looking for?
My laptop. Do you see it?
Yes, your laptop is on the chair.
Where's my book?
Which one?
The dictionary.
It's under the table.
Where's my pencil?
There's a pencil in front of the lamp.
That's not a pencil. That's a pen.
Oh, sorry. There is a pencil behind the cup.
How about my backpack? Do you know where that is?
It's in between the wall and the bed.
Where are my shoes?
They're on the left side of the TV.
I don't see them.
Sorry, I made a mistake. They're on the right side of the TV.
Thanks.
Oh, and here are your glasses. They were next to your cell phone.
Excuse me. Check, please.
Okay. How was everything?
Very nice. Thank you.
Would you like this to go?
Yes. Can you put it in a plastic bag?
Sure, no problem. Here you are. That'll be $25.
Do you take credit cards?
Yes, we accept Visa and MasterCard.
Okay. Here you are.
Thanks. I'll be right back.
Okay.
Here's your receipt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Please come again.
Michelle, can you help me clean things up before we go?
Sure. Where should I put this cup?
Which cup?
The red one.
Put it on the table.
How about this fruit?
Oh, that goes in the refrigerator.
And those pencils? What should I do with them?
Bring those upstairs and put them in the bedroom.
How about this pen?
Give it to me, please. I need to use it.
What do you want me to do with that paper over there?
You can throw that away. I don't need it anymore.
The trash is full.
All right, then please put it in a bag and take it outside.
Okay. Now what?
I think we're finished. Can you please turn off the lights and shut the door?
Sure.
Pam, where's the closest ATM?
It's not that far. Do you see that yellow building over there?
The big one or the small one?
The big one.
Yes.
It's right next to it, on the right.
Do you know if there's a convenience store around here?
I don't think there's one around here. The closest one is on 3rd Street, but that's probably closed now.
I really need to get some things before I leave.
Well, you could go down to 22nd Street. There are a lot of stores down there that are open 24 hours a day.
Can I take the subway to get there?
Yes, but that'll probably take about a half an hour. You should just take a cab.
Won't that be expensive?
No, from here, I think it's only about $5. Professor, where's Canada?
Canada is north of here.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure. Look here. Canada is north of the United States.
Oh, I see. Where's Mexico?
Mexico is south of the United States.
How about Connecticut? Where's that?
Connecticut is east of New York.
What state is west of Pennsylvania?
Ohio.
Okay. Where's Los Angeles?
Los Angeles is in California. It's southeast of San Francisco.
Where's Boston?
Boston is in the northeast part of the country.
Where is Las Vegas?
Las Vegas is in the southwest. Hi, Maria. Did you have breakfast yet?
Yes, I ate at the hotel with my son and my husband.
Oh, they have good food there. What did you have?
I had some cereal, fried eggs, and orange juice.
How was it?
The food didn't taste very good, and actually, I don't feel very well now.
That's too bad. Do you want to take a break?
No, I'm going back to the hotel at lunchtime to lie down.
Okay. I'm going to the drugstore later. Is there anything I can get for you?
No, that's okay. I think if I rest for a little while, I'll feel better.
How do you like the food?
It tastes really great. Did you cook it?
Yes. I made it this afternoon. Would you like some more?
Okay, just a little though. I'm really full.
Oh, would you like some soup instead?
What kind is it?
Tomato and rice. Have you had that before?
No, this is my first time. How does it taste?
It's good. Try it. What do you think?
Wow, it is good. Did you make that also?
Yes. Thanks. Next time I'll make chicken soup for us.
That sounds good. Did you study cooking in school?
No, I learned by myself. I have a good cookbook that I read when I have time.
Good afternoon. How may I help you?
Hi. I'd like to order some flowers.
Who are they for?
They're for my wife. Her name is Samantha.
What kind of flowers would you like?
I don't know. I don't know too much about flowers. Can you recommend something?
Okay. What's the reason you're sending her flowers?
Today's her birthday, and she told me she wants me to buy her flowers.
Do you know what kind of flowers she likes?
I'm not sure. I know I should know that, but I can't remember right now.
Well, they're for your wife, so I think you should give her roses.
Roses will be fine.
What color?
I think red would be nice.
Do you want to pick them up, or should we deliver them?
Can you deliver them, please?
What's the address?
241 Main Street.
Hello?
Hi. Is Heather there, please?
Sorry, I think you have the wrong number.
Is this 617-228-2289?
Yes, who are you looking for again?
Heather Johnson.
Oh, I thought you said Laura. Sorry about that. This is the right number, but Heather's not here right now.
Do you know where she went?
She went to the store to buy some groceries. Would you like to leave a message?
Yes. Would you please tell her Eric Martin called?
Hi, Eric. This is her roommate, Kathy. I met you a couple of months ago at the Christmas party.
Oh, yes. How are you?
Good. Heather will be back in about 20 minutes. I'll tell her you called.
Okay. Thanks.
Bye-bye. Hello?
Hi, Tina. It's Joe.
Hi, Joe.
How's the weather there today?
It's really cold. It snowed all day and the school's closed early.
What's the temperature?
It's 30 degrees now. It was even colder this morning.
Have you heard what the weather is going to be like tomorrow?
I was watching the news a little earlier. They said it's probably going to snow tomorrow.
I really don't like the winter. I wish it were summer.
Me too. How's the weather where you are?
It's not too bad, but it's pretty cold here too. It was about 45 today, and it rained this afternoon. I heard it's going to be a little warmer tomorrow.
Hello?
Hi, Vicky.
Are you there yet?
Yes.
I just got off the subway. I'm almost there. Sorry I'm late.
That's no problem. I just wanted to tell you I'm inside.
Where are you?
On the second floor.
Should I come to the second floor, or do you want to come down to the first floor?
Come upstairs.
What?
Oh, can you hear me okay? I said come to the second floor.
Oh, okay. What are you doing there?
Just looking at some books on how to learn English.
Do you want to get something to eat later?
No, I'm still full from dinner.
What do you want to do?
I don't know for sure. When you get here, we'll talk about it.
Okay, see you soon.
Bye.
Craig, what do you do for work?
I'm still a student.
What school do you go to?
Boston University.
That's a good school. What do you study?
I'm studying English, math, and history. My major is English.
How long have you been studying English?
More than 6 years.
That's a long time.
Yeah, I started to learn English when I was in high school.
No wonder your English is so good.
Actually, it's not that good. I can read, but I can't speak very well. I haven't had a lot of chance to practice.
I see. Talking with other people is very important.
Yes, but I still don't have many friends here yet.
I'm having a party tonight at my apartment. You should come.
Oh, thanks for inviting me. I'd love to come. Hey, Jane. Did you get the mail yet?
Yes, I picked it up this morning. There were a few bills and a letter from my mother. There was also a lot of junk mail.
Was there anything for me?
I don't remember. Let me check. Yes, it looks like there's something here for you.
Who's it from?
The American Embassy.
My hands are dirty. Will you open it for me?
Sure.
What does it say?
It says your passport is ready. You can pick it up any time.
Do you think you can drive me there?
Sure. When?
I think we should go get it now. I'm going to wash my hands, and then we'll go. Is that okay?
How are you feeling?
I still have a cold.
Still? It's been over a week now, hasn't it?
Yeah, it's been a while. I started feeling this way last Monday.
Are you feeling any better?
A little. I took some medicine this morning, and I feel a little better now.
What's wrong?
I have a bad cough.
Did you go see the doctor yet?
Not yet. I might go tomorrow.
I'm going to the drugstore now. Can I get you anything?
Yes. If it's not too much trouble, would you get me some tissues?
Sure. Anything else?
No, that's it.
Okay. I'll be back in about an hour. If you think of anything else you need, give me a call.
Thanks.